for the JNM second year students. Okay, in this medical surgical nursing one topic, that is the physical examination, we are going to discuss. Okay, here what is meant by physical examination? Physical examination is the one of the examination or one process is done by the nurses. Okay, on patient we are examining the what is the problem of patient in the health. Okay, we are going to do the assessment. Okay, in assessment we are doing the some observation. Okay, next we are collecting some history. Okay, we are organizing the data and we are planning the data, like that steps we are discussed in previous videos. Okay, in physical examination, a complete health assessment conducted by the starting to head to foot examination. Okay, physical examination means it is one of the complete health assessment. Head to foot examination, once the patient is admitted in the hospital, what is their problem from the head to foot examination. Okay na, ఒకసారి పేషెంట్ హాస్పిటల్లోకి అడ్మిట్ అయ్యిండు అని అంటే అతనికి తల నుంచి కాళ్ళ వరకు ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఓకే, ఒక సిస్టమాటిక్ వేలో మనం అసెస్ చేస్తే దాన్ని ఫిజికల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ అంటాం. Okay, in this we are going to discuss some head to foot examination, that is the systematic manner. Okay, we are discuss the purpose of physical examination. Why? What is the reason? What is the purpose? Why we have to assess the patient? Means in this mainly the first one is the to identify the factors placing the client. Okay, na? What are the factors is there? Why the patient is suffering with the disease? Okay, is there either a severe problem or minor problem or major problem? Okay, the factor is due to the microorganism or the improper personal hygiene or the improper sanitation. Okay, or they are not unable to drink purified water. What is the reason? కారణం ఏంటి, ఎందుకు ఒక పేషెంట్ డిసీజ్తో సఫర్ అవుతుండు అనే దాని గురించి we are going to assess. Okay, that's why we have to do the physical examination for the each and every patient. Okay na, in this another one, that is the to identify the need of additional diagnosis. Okay na, through the superficial assessment we did not get any valid or particular information, then we go for the this physical examination. We are able to diagnose the client condition. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పేషెంట్ ఒక ట్యూమర్తో సఫర్ అవుతున్నా అని చెప్పాడు, మనం చూడగానే దాన్ని ఏ ఏరియాలో ఉంది అనేది మాత్రం పర్టికులర్గా చెప్పలేము. ఓకేనా, ఓకే, ఒకవేళ చెప్పగలిగితే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద పేషెంట్ ఈజ్ సఫరింగ్ విత్ ద ట్యూమర్ ఆన్ హ్యాండ్. ఓకే, దట్ విల్ బి విజిబుల్ బై ఎక్స్టర్నల్లీ. Okay, the size, what is the size or what is the tumor is hard or smooth, that will how we will assess. Okay, by doing physical examination. Okay na, on physical examination only, through the physical examination only we have to assess the patient exact problem. Okay, by assessment we have to diagnose the client problem. Okay, this is the purpose. Next we will move on to the techniques of physical examination. Okay, what are the techniques is there in the physical examination? Mainly the 4 techniques is there. Okay, in first one is the inspection. Okay, second one is the palpation. Okay, third one is the percussion. Fourth one is the auscultation. Okay, these are the 4 steps is there for assess the or for doing the physical examination of each and every patient. Okay, according to their age group, for example as neonate or children or toddler or adults or young adults, okay, or older adults or old age group, whatever it may be, the age group will be there. Once we are called as the patient, okay, each and every patient undergone the physical examination by using these 4 techniques. ఓకే, పేషెంట్ ఏ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ అయినా పర్వాలేదు. ఓకే, అవి చిన్నపిల్లలే కావచ్చు, పెద్దవాళ్ళే కావచ్చు, ఓల్డ్ ఏజ్ వాళ్ళే కావచ్చు, ఏ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ వాళ్ళకైనా వాళ్ళ యొక్క ప్రాబ్లమ్ని డయాగ్నోస్ చేయడానికి ప్రతి ఒక్క నర్సు, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ నర్స్ యూజ్ దీస్ 4 టెక్నిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజికల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ? Okay, what we have to assess the patient. In that the physical examination in techniques inspection. Okay, it is one of the systematic visual. Okay, inspection is nothing but it is a systematic visual examination of client. Through our eyes we have to examine the client. Okay na, without using means without direct contact we can't do. ఓకే, మనం ఎప్పుడైతే డైరెక్ట్గా క్లయింట్ని కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతామో అప్పుడు మాత్రమే వాళ్ళకి కావలసినటువంటి వాళ్ళు సఫర్ అవుతున్నటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని అసెస్ చేస్తాం. మీన్స్ త్రూ ద ఐస్ ఆర్ విజువల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఆఫ్ అన్ క్లయింట్. ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ టు అసెస్ ద సమ్ హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆఫ్ అన్ ఇండివిజువల్. ఓకే, ఇన్ దాట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కలర్ ఆఫ్ పేషెంట్. ఓకే, why we have to assess the color of patient. Okay, some patients are black, white, like that, did not differentiate. Okay, if the client is having any bluish discoloration of the skin, okay, bluish discoloration of the skin unda ledante pale color unda, okay, or pink color, whatever it may be, means why we have to assess the means in a blood, okay, blood percentage if decreased means, okay, HB hemoglobin percentage undalసిన దానికంటే తక్కువ ఉంటే, okay, or sometimes patients who are suffering with the difficulty on breathing, okay, oxygen సరైనటువంటి బాడీలో లేనప్పుడు ఆ యొక్క స్కిన్ కలర్ అనేది చేంజ్ అయ్యేటటువంటి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. సమ్ టైమ్స్ జాండీస్ కామెర్లు అంటారు, ఆ కామెర్లలో కూడా డ్యూ టు ద లివర్ చేంజెస్ ద బాడీ కలర్ షుడ్ బి చేంజ్. Okay, that's why we should assess the what is the color of the patient. Okay, next what is the shape, means for example some patients are suffering with some tumors. Okay, what is the shape of tumor? Okay, the tumors are exactly knowing that size and shape or not, that will be assessed. Okay, sometimes the organs shape also assessed. Okay, for example each and every organ in anatomical we are studied, no. Okay, for example the lungs is there, especially the lungs are the size or the shape, like that we have assessed, no. Okay, heart is there, each and every human body heart is exactly like cone shape, like that we have to discuss, no. Okay, the anatomical structure any deviation is there, that will be assessed by doing the physical examination. Okay, in that exact position, okay, organs anatomical structure లో ఉండాల్సిన organs అలాగే ఎవరి స్ట్రక్చర్ లో అవి ఉన్నాయా లేవా. Okay, any changes is there, that will be assessed by doing the inspection of patient. Next another one, that is the palpation. Okay, in palpation what we have to assess means in this the involves the sense of touch. Okay, by touching the patient we have to assess the problems of patient. Okay, how we will touch? By using our palm. Okay, hand of the palm we are using, we have to touch on the patient. Through touch what we have to assess? Okay, if body temperature is raised means that will be assessed by touching. Okay, patient ni ee yokka palms use chesi touch cheyadam valla athani yokka body temperature emaina periginda tagginda ela undi anedi assess cheyochu. Okay na, by touching we have to assess the or we have to feel the palpation, pulse rate. Okay, through the palpation we should assess the pulse rate of an patient. Okay, and also respiratory rate of patient. Okay na, this is the three find outs on the palpation. In that two types is there, deep palpation is there, next superficial palpation is there. Okay, in deep light palpation what we have to do? Okay, in this superficial method we are using our fingers, we are using by the fingertips we have to use by applying gentle pressure what is the problem, that will be assessed. Next in deep palpation we have to use our two hands. Okay, especially by using left hands we should apply some pressure and we should examine the each and every patient body approximately 4 centimeters. Okay, next in that by using one or two hands, okay, both hands we have to use for assessment of patient. Okay na, through this way we have to assess the pain levels. Okay, next one is the percussion. This is the third technique in the physical examination. Okay, in that what we have to assess means in percussion we have to tap by using fingers, we have to tap the body of patient. Okay na, fingers use chesi body ni ila ట్యాప్ చేసి చూసినట్లయితే ద పేషెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ విల్ బి అసెస్డ్. ఓకేనా, ఎస్పెషల్లీ మిడిల్ ఫింగర్స్ ఆర్ ద థమ్ ఫింగర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ ఫర్ ద palpation. In palpation again two types will be there. Okay, direct palpation is there, indirect palpation is there. Okay, in direct palpation what happens means by using our fingers directly we have to touch the patient and we have to apply the some pressure and we have to listen. Indirect palpation, especially left hand, we have to use, okay, for percussion, okay, for assessment of the fingers to the creation of vibrations. Okay, now next in that auscultation. Okay, in auscultation what we have to use, sounds we have to listen. Okay, now for example stethoscope we have to use for assessment of or for listening of heart sounds of patient. ఓకే, ఆ యొక్క హార్ట్ సౌండ్స్ మనం ఎలా యూస్ చేస్తాం, కొన్ని ఎక్విప్మెంట్ యూస్ చేసి వింటూ ఉంటాం. ఓకే, బై లిజనింగ్ సౌండ్స్ త్రూ ద సమ్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్టెథోస్కోప్. Okay, in stethoscope some parts is there, okay, diaphragm, stem. Okay, in that we have to use the diaphragm for listening of heart sounds of a particular patient. Okay, in that sometimes we have to use the, if pregnant lady will be there means, okay, in their mother womb fetal heart sound, how we will listen, by using fetoscope. Okay, now by using fetoscope we have to listen the fetal heart sounds of a mother. Okay, na? Next these are the 4 techniques will be involved in the physical examination. Okay, na? In that for example in percussion what we have to assess means especially pain level or tumor formation where it is formed. Okay, na? By using our fingers and we have to use the some sounds we are creating and we have to listen the patient body, internal body sounds. Okay, na? This is regarding physical examination.